Okay, we will discuss about use. Yeah, any idea about use? Hmm. Okay, so okay, if you see the definitions, so you, Mary, can you please more uh, put yourself as note? Sorry. Okay, okay. In SQL Server, you just act like as in a virtual table. Okay, uh, you know, right? How table will store in our database is a physically stores, and it will take some disk space when you save some store when you save your data into a table. It will store the data in our disks. Okay, it's a physically saved. But where you come to view, it's like a just virtual table. It will save only the only query, not the data. Okay, so you contains rows and columns same like as a table. Okay, and you can one or more tables we can combine and we will get the result set. So as I told you, U does not hold any data and does not exist physically in the database, which means we can't save any data. It will hold only that query. Okay, until unless hit the query, we can't see any data, and it won't store any data unlike tables. Okay, so it contains set of predefined SQL queries to fetch data from the database. Yes. Okay, so you know what is the main advantage of SQL use? Yes. So, can you please give me any advantages of use? Okay. One is the security. Suppose if you have some sensitive data like employee salary information or SSN information or something. So this data in your employee tables, but you want to get only HR want to see. Ideally, HR only can able to see all the information, right? Not your manager or someone. So that time you can use a security. So based on user and column access, we can provide security by using use and marks the columns. Mask the columns is nothing but guys. So if you write a U inside a U, it will write a select statement, right? So once you created U, until unless query what columns you use, no one knows. No one doesn't know about that, right? So once he created a view, okay, if anyone wants to see that the columns, it's not possible until unless we provide access to them. So suppose I will tell you in select statement, maybe I will write some salary, hire date information. Okay, but when they hit the select statement, so they can see that only hire date, but not salary. Salary column they will be able to see, but they will see only the blank data or something. Okay, so why? Because you can maintain some security for that column based on the user position. So hence they can't see that salary details. If they have right access, they can see the salary information. Otherwise, they won't. They will see only blank information. Mark the column in the sense. So here you will write a number of columns, something like. But Once I created you, they can able to only guys, they can able to only select the statement, but what we written in inside of you, they can't view until unless you provide a read access or something on that view. Clear till here? So one more logic you can write, reduce the complex sum. It's the complex of the summarizations. So suppose if you want to put the sums and aggregate functions and everything, you can write in a select statement, and we can create a view. Just you can call it as a view. It automatically comes up. Okay, these are all actually definitions and advantages of view. We can see how you can create a view now. It's the same syntax as how we created a syntax for the view. Okay, any cases? How can you create it? Mm-hmm. Okay, create view name. Okay, as your select columns. Okay, I will tell you in depth the SQL. I mean use. Just try to focus. Okay, if you have a where condition also, you can put. Okay, where conditions. Yeah, guys, this is a simple. Yeah, this is a syntax for the u. You just create view name as select cell column. Suppose if you are unsure about this one, you just go to Microsoft Docs and you can see number of options. Okay. So there they mentioned with the schema binding and all we can see. Okay. So those options are not required. So if you see here, this is the actual syntax. Create view. So that we already discussed right while you creating table schema name dot uname. Schema right? DBO, these all are schema. So with some attribution, with the check option or encryption, schema binding. Encryption already I told you, right? Once you put that encryption, user able to see the data or not? No, right? Not even definition also they can't see. Okay, they can't see until unless you use some decryption method. Schema binding, I think I didn't discuss, but I discuss now why you use schema binding now. So with the check option, we see this in constant, right? The check, it's a check. Suppose if salary greater than 500 or something, if you put while you inserting or deleting, it will forcefully stop. Okay, I will discuss that as well. The actual syntax like this: create view schema name dot uname and self statement. Same thing we written right now, right? So alter and this all we discuss. Suppose if you are unsure about, you want to deep dive into views or anything, you just go to Microsoft Docs and we can see a number of options. Clear? We'll see. See, they mentioned everywhere like check option, why you use it, check option and all. Okay. So like this, so we can start. Okay. This is the time taking, but I'm just giving you overview. Suppose if you're not unsure about how you can give. Okay. Yeah. Now, So since I'm using only one system and one user, so I may not discuss about security, but I will definitely discuss while we before completing this. Okay. Mm, I'm just taking this table. Just try to observe, guys, what I'm doing. I'm just creating a U against that human resource dot employee. Okay. Create. Yeah. Tell me. Create U. Yeah, guys. Tell me. Employee. Employee details. Yeah. As is a mandatory. Now you can tell me. Select star from. What the table my table name is human resource dot employee. Yeah, that's it. So once you hit this, okay, now we just see invalid object name. Why? Because maybe I'm in master DB. Okay, that's why. Okay. So when I'm in master DB, right? How can you do that? Adventure works or something you can put. Okay. Otherwise, you just uh, yeah. Tell me. And, no, 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 no. That won't difference, but it's a system itself. It's thinking. Okay, the statement itself. It's terminated for that particular. What we call. No, it doesn't make any sense. Just the system it knows. Okay, maybe the statement terminated here. That's why I'm putting. Okay, that's it. I think. Yeah, the view created. So once the view created, where can you see? Go to AdventureWorks. Go to use. What is our view? The same thing or not? Y- Yeah, it came right here. The same thing. How it's actually like, same as a table or not? The only difference is it won't store any data. Okay, so you can you can play around. Suppose if you have the more complex joins. Okay, so suppose if you want to write in main query, it's not possible. So it can be possible, but if you want to simplify that, I would suggest you go to create a one view. Okay, you can put all your select, I mean, whatever logic inside, then that you can join with anywhere, wherever it's required. Suppose once you created how can you see that one? Suppose if you want to see how you can create or alter or anything, you just go to here, right click, script US, create you. See, it came. Suppose if you want to see alter you, anything you can see here. Okay, like this you can see. So this is a basic example given. So now you can see you will create a few more and you can see. Okay. So I think see they already created some use. You just go to here and you just check. Okay. That is a system defined one. Okay. What they written, then I will try to explain. See, even I'm going to try to explain the same thing, but we have already this one. Yeah. Now what they are trying to do this one. See, they combined more than 3 or 4 tables are not here. Okay, let me tell you something. Suppose if I hit this one, what information I got? Only the very basic, right? Very basic details I'm getting. Okay, but I want to say the salary, the ship times and everything. So ideally I want to join with some different tables. Correct or not? So so they join with the person table and person from person table they just brought the title, middle name, suffix and all. And again they just join with the department history and from this table what he got when they started and when they hit it. Okay, I mean when they resigned or something. Okay, so and last again they joined with the department table. From department table what they brought, department name and group name, and lastly shift. So if you hit this, just try to. So whatever required information you got it or not by using this one. Suppose this information we can write in as a temporary table and we can call it data. But a temporary table we know right where we can use the particular. Suppose if you're going to create a store procedure, so you want to see this information and you want to join somewhere. What is the alternate way? You may write a temporary table and we can store this entire information to temporary table or not. But once I create a temporary table, is there any way we can access across the DB? No, right? So is there an alternate way? So we can simply say the entire information we can store into view. I mean view and view we can access, right? So now we can understand why view is required. So for temporary results, we can use only temporary table that may be useful in a particular session or whenever you call it a store procedure or sometime. But once you created view, you can use n number of ways and n number of possible ways we can use that. Clear? Clear? So and whatever required columns only we can bring in use. So suppose if you have in business, sorry, in employee table, we have too many columns, but I don't require all columns. I only the business ID and job title and all. So that's why we brought that. So you can simplify, right? So earlier how it looked like, I think we have some unwanted information also in my employee table. But by joining and once I created you, it seems something like look and feel good, right? It's a more sense. Data looks more sense. Is that correct or not? Okay. So this is a one way you can create view. We'll see more examples on clear, right? Suppose if you want to create any view like so I want to see the marital status is a M for that employee. How you can see? Suppose marital status is there, right? A single or only married employees data only I want to see. So for that I am creating a view. Okay, just tell me create view. So VWU employee some record. Okay, yeah. Now you can tell me. Yes, yeah, guys. Yes, select from human resource dot employee. Okay, so I want only national number and what I can take. So login ID, job title, and what we need to take marital status. Okay, marital status. Now you can tell me I want to see only the marital status where matrix state is equal to m. Now you can tell me how you can do that. Where? Yeah, guys, tell me. Matrix status equal to correct or not? So now we just hit this. Now we can see. So what I'm trying to do, I'm just filtering only. Yeah, narrative status equal to m. Those records only I want to see in U. See, are you able to see here? So like this way, we can simplify our queries into in Vue, and the same use we can use or join with our base tables. Okay, now we can see. Um, you can see with the joins, and we can close it out. Okay. So I'm just creating Vue to fetch records from multiple tables. Yeah, if you want to fetch records from multiple tables, what is the way? Join. Yeah, guys, joins or not? Okay. So now I'm just creating. Just observe. In sales schema, I want to create view. Just see. As of now, I just created it in a normal view. So suppose if I create a normal view, or by default, what will take? Schema. DBO or not? See, I didn't mention any schema. By system, it default is taking as DBO dot. So did I mention anywhere DBO? Yes, closely observed. So in real time also, if you want to create any store procedure, view or function, so mainly you can create a store procedures and view. Some one point you can keep in your mind. The schemas are important. Okay, the schemas what we are putting is so maybe suppose if you are a developer, after some time you may be leaving the company. The next you developer, how we can understand? Suppose if you put in normal way when you put your schema name dot something, okay, they maybe understand, okay, they created against this database human resource. That's why they put you in human resource schema. Something like that they can easily understand. So now I'm creating a U in with a what schema? Sales schema, right? So okay, where is this one? Maybe you can just rename this one. Create U schema name dot your U. Okay, then it will be easy. Okay, I'm coming to this one. Yeah, hey guys, I'm this is fine. It's okay. The just suppose whenever you see this red line error, so you just right click. Okay, go to intelligence enabled. Just disable that one. It will automatically went off. But only the problem is, suppose when I created a select star from something like right. Suppose I created a human resource employee a dot. It won't give any hints now. Suppose if I want to take data something, the only difference is this one. Right click. If you enable intelligence enable, then it will give you hints. Okay. See, now hints came or not. Guys are able to understand. Right click, just intelligence enable. So suppose if we writing a store procedure, sometimes you see these red lines and all. For that time, just go to and disable that one intelligence. Otherwise, you can keep it. It won't be any issue. I'm just yeah. Now I'm creating a sales, some e-store details. Okay, just observe. Okay, yeah. Now you can tell me syntax as. Okay, first I'm just constructing a query. Just observe. Okay, select from. Okay, I'm going to go here. Adventure works. Okay, self store as a yes. I'm just joining with my. I can first before going to that, you just check right click what is the columns here. Business entity ID. So where do you see business entity ID? So we see many where right person dot contact we see person dot business entity contact. Suppose if you are unsure about that, right click. Okay. Go to keys. Script key as okay. Since it's a primary key, there is a no foreign key dependency. So that's why you're not able to see here. Anyways, I know some giants. Let me see. So in real time, anyways, we try to understand, right? We are not a layman. At least we basic data modeling. What do you call data modeling diagrams they will give. So if you know data modeling diagram, easily you can identify it. What is a giant with what is what table giant with other table. Guys, I'm just asking you. Suppose if they will give you database diagram. So you will understand, right, how it will join with, associate with one table with another one. So, but here thing is, yeah, okay, yeah. Now we can see create you select from store. I'm joining with person dot business contact. Yeah, see here. Just see primary key, primary key. See if you see foreign key, the person table, contact type, and business entity. These are actually see, it's associated or not. Business entity table, contact type, and person. If you see here, business entity is there, uh, and one more is contact type, right? Contact type. Contact type is there, and person dot person ID. This one. You can get it if you understand a foreign key. Whenever the foreign key is there, that time only we can understand, right? This may be associated with a difference. Other table. What is a foreign key? The references to hey guys, reference to other table entity or not? Yeah. So I don't want to waste your time now. So I'm just creating you with whatever I know. So just joining with the person dot business contact. Okay, person dot business contact. BC DEC on. Yeah. Now tell me what is the common here? Everywhere is a business entity ID. Business entity ID nothing but it's like a surrogate key or for primary key. Okay. Yeah, BAC on BAC dot business entity ID. Yeah, guys, tell me everywhere I told you business entity is a giant. Yes, dot correct? Priya Naresh, just observe. Okay, correct or not? Business ID entity ID is a giant there and here. That's why I'm using giant. Now again, person dot contact type. Okay, person dot contact type. Person dot contact type was again ct on ct dot. Yeah, now we can see in contact type ID is the primary key. Okay, contact type ID. Yeah, now you can tell me. So contact type ID equal to, if you see here, here's the contact type ID is there in business entity contact table. Guys, just observe this one. The contact type ID equal to contact type ID from business entity contact to contact type. So already we joined with the business entity contact type. Now we can take BC dot contact type ID or not. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Join. Now I'm just taking person dot person. In person dot person, what is the common business entity ID, right? Business entity ID to this one person ID, I guess. Person dot person. Yeah. P on P dot business entity ID equal to. So here also in business entity contact we have person ID. So BC dot person ID, and the last table I'm just joining with the, so person dot email, person dot email. So these all are not required, but I'm just taking. Okay, join person dot phone. Here's the person dot phone. Okay, now we can just see P on okay PE dot business entity ID equal to P dot business entity ID. So this one also person phone. Then PP on PP dot. So guys, just practice on joins. Every maximum we will get it. This one only business entity ID. But I suggest you go to AdventureWorks and practice with the human resource and this all. Okay, P dot again business entity ID. Okay, done. Yeah, my joins are ready. I'm just constructing the queries now. Okay, I want to take start business entity ID, comma start name as a store. Yeah, city dot name as contact type. So from person dot table you can take all this one. Okay, p dot title, p dot first name, or you can just write first name as p dot first name as person name. Okay. Okay, and what we can write p dot suffix. So now I'm just writing some case condition. Just check guys. Case when is not null. Yeah, then yeah guys, is not null. Then I want to append suffix plus person name. How you can write? Hey guys, just tell me. So so Mrs. Dot, Mr. Dot, how it will be, right? Oh, okay, right? Yes, I'm just writing. Okay. Why I'm getting error? Because once I created a case statement, I need to end it as end. Okay. Then why I'm getting error, guys? This is a very minor. Just tell me case when, right? When you put case, did you? I think we discussed already case statements, right? No, not sure. Okay, I'm not sure. That's why I'm just asking. So maybe we need to discuss pivots also. We need to discuss that is advanced concepts. But while teaching exercise, that time I will discuss this all. Cross apply, outer apply. Those also we didn't discuss, right? Those are actually important ones. Cross apply. Not talking about cross join and all. Cross apply, outer apply. There is something is there. Email address. Okay. And what else we can take? That's it. Okay. And one more column. Email promotion. Okay. So now what I'm trying to create, I'm creating a view to fetch records from multiple tables to you store details. Okay. Yeah. Now you can tell me. Yeah, it's created, right? No, just go to. So now we can now suppose when do you use this use, what will be your answer? Already we discussed many times. Yeah, just tell me. Simplify, simplify the queries, or we can write complex solutions. Yeah, now we can see why. See, instead of okay, suffix we can remove. And suffix is not null. Okay, maybe title I guess we need to take. Okay, sorry guys, title is not null. Then okay, title maybe I think in US suppose there are 4 or 5 generations are there, then they will call it a junior, second, or something is like that, right? Maybe that is a suffix, I guess. Right? If 3 or 4 generations are there, yeah, they will call it as. So now I already created a U. Suppose if I already have made changes, I want to forcefully create this one. It will accept? No, because already the table, I mean, the view already exists. How can you do? Suppose if you want to modify, right? Alter, yeah, yep. So done. Now we can see. Now it came. Mr. Aaron can something is came, right? So now we got everything, email promotions and all. So now it will be GG or not to minimize the complexity of queries. So even you can perform aggregation inside also that we can see. So tomorrow we'll discuss about indexed use or materialized use, guys. So most of people they won't teach you, but I will try to tell that. That's it. Okay. Now Saturday, na? Okay, Monday. Monday we have. Okay. So, okay. Gift Nifty. So where you can see that the product sales, product. Okay, let it be. So we can perform insert update and also we can see. We will see and we can close it. Okay. Suppose is it possible to add a column to U? Suppose I created a U. So in table we can write alter table, add column, column name. The same way I'm asking, is it possible to add a U? No, adding, yeah, adding column to U. You can do adding column to the U. Yeah. Same way, how can you add the column? Alter. Yeah. How can you alter the table? What is the U name? Our name is second. Uh, so alter table, add okay, some city. I think you can't add it. Let me see. And where can add column, right? City and where can let me see. I think a table only we can create it. Let's see. I'll try to execute. Incorrect syntax because incorrect syntax. Okay. Okay, it won't accept it. No, I think it won't accept here. Let's see. Sorry, columns you can't add. Maybe tables I can add, but insert updates we can see. Okay. So let me tell me. Suppose if I want delete or update this U, is it possible or not? It's possible. But suppose if I update it any here, the underlying data will be changed or not. That the entire thing will be messed or not. So that's why we can't update in a real-time tables, but I mean real-time view. So it is possible to update, but I will create one more view and I'll see. Yes, maybe we can take some sample tables and create table view sample one. ID as in ID integer, name varchar 50, salary decimal, comma 2. Okay, create table name and department ID. Department ID as integer. Yeah, now I'm just creating one table and one more table I'm creating for a department. Sample 2. Okay, ID, name, varchar. Okay. Yeah, guys, I'm just creating two tables. Let me insert some data quickly. Otherwise, I can do one thing. How can you write values, right? Just go to here. So just observe what I'm trying to do. Insert into. At a time it will coming or not. Insert into statement. Suppose guys, okay, values. Yeah, tell me. 1 comma some name AB A salary 10,000. Department ID is some 22. Okay, 22. So nothing guys, I'm just taking one table to perform this operation, insert, update and delete, how it will be. Because in actual tables, you can't perform. So it will be disturb all structure. So that also I will discuss. It's suppose if anyone want to forcefully create, I mean update, so we can just using some keyword. So they can't update or delete that one. I will tell that as well once complete this one. Okay, 33, 44, 44. Yeah. Now sample one, I'm just creating some data and oh shit. Start from okay. Get to okay. Already table is in. Okay. Yeah, guys. Now we just see values. So 22 is a IT. IT. Okay. 33 and 44. Okay. So now just tell me, suppose if I updated a view, where it will be update? Correct. Okay. Yeah, yeah. HR and 44 is engineering. Okay. So now I'm just creating this one, two tables. How many rows I can put? Now I'm just creating U against this table. Creating. Yeah, tell me syntax for this. Create view. You name some U name as EMP as. Yeah, guys, tell me. Select from. What is the table name? U sample one. Okay. A left join. Fill fill two as a B on A dot department ID equal to B dot ID. Correct. So now what columns I need to take? A dot ID or B dot. Okay. Yeah, correct. A dot ID, A dot name, yes, A dot name, A dot salary, A dot department ID, comma, B dot name as DPT number, department name. Okay. So now just tell me, I'm just creating a U. My U is created. Select star from let's see. I see details or not now. So now I want to update wherever the department ID equal to 33 equal to some 22. Guys, just observe. So now till here clear. So just try to see what I'm trying to do. Okay, now start from. See, you able to see some data here, right? Correct. But I want to update to you, Josie. I'm just setting, just see, at you, set, set, what is the my department ID equal to, yes, department ID equal to, I'm changing, 22, where ID in, yeah, ID in 2, comma 3. Yeah, now just tell me, once I hit that, this one, what will be the output? Yeah, guys, just tell me. Hmm? Hello? Is there or not? So I'm just trying to update this one. What will be the output now once I hit this one? So hide that. Hmm. See wherever the department 22 is. Hmm. So something got changed. Hmm. But where this got changed? See, this is our initial data. Okay. So if you see this one, our initial data is 1 is a 22. Yeah, 2 is a 33. 3 is a 33, and 4 is a 44. Now, when I updated view, where it will change? In base tables or not? So that's why we won't suggest to update in view. Okay, because the base tables we cannot change by using views because it will completely disturb our structure. Got it? So that's why. So sometimes ambiguity columns are also there. I mean, department ID, even though we are taking here, some other table also department ID is there. That time joins and everything will break. I won't, our company standards also, it won't suggest to update or delete this one. Okay, update. It can perform operations, but we cannot use. Okay, suppose now if you want delete also, you can delete from you where ID in. So now fewer function does not updatable because the modification affects multiple. See, if you see here, why? Because ID is a two-way. In a table is there. I mean, sample one is ID is there, and B also B dot ID is there. Correct? That's why it's giving this error. For that, you need to use some what do you call? You can put some department ID is there, right? Yeah, department ID 22. Or else just that's why I'm just giving you hints. So this kind of errors we see is updated because modification of multiple base put. See, when you try to delete, it's completely giving you error, right? U is not updatable because its modification affects a multiple table. So that's why you won't perform any operation. Now I'm just altering this view. Just see the magic, okay? With schema binding. I'm just altering you guys. Just try to observe you. I altered the view. Cannot schema bind you because E sample one involves schema binding. Names must be two part. Okay, why I'm getting this error? Just guys, you see this error. Cannot schema bind you because name is invalid for schema binding. Name must be in two part. Two part means schema dot, yeah guys, schema dot table name. So just put dbo dot. So I intentionally I'm giving you these errors. At least we will come to know what is the error we are seeing. Okay. Now see why I'm using schema binding. Please closely observe. I'm just trying to update this view with 33 wherever the ID equal to this one. Two rows got affected. 1 second. What is the view name? Okay. But when you use the scheme with the schema binding are not correct only. Okay. So now now we can see we alter that. We see something right. Now one of my base table I want to add any column. I'm just altering any column. Just see. Not in you guys. Okay. Alter. Yeah. In view sample one, I want to add one more column. Just observe. Alter view sample one. Alter. Yeah. What is the syntax for adding a column? Alter table. Alter table. Table name. Alter. Yeah, guys. Tell me. I want to change that data type for a dot id. I mean this one. Id integer to big integer. Just see. Alter column id is a big int. Now just see. See, you're seeing some error or not, guys? So even though you put with the schema binding, we cannot alter or update tables. Yeah, guys. Alter tables we cannot add because alter table column had failed because of more object access to this column. See, did I mention anything? No, right? See, automatically throwing error. So why we are using schema binding? To prevent this. Yeah, guys. Hello, you there? Oh, let me share my screen. Okay. Once you okay, guys, once we defined with the schema binding, we cannot alter or update any columns, or we cannot create any new columns to the base tables. Okay. So once we put this one, is there no alternate way until unless we drop the view? Clear? So even you try to add one alter table name, add. So we can add the columns, but we cannot update or alter existing column data types. Okay, clear till here, guys. So what is the use of schema binding is we cannot alter or modify data types or data size of the columns once we define. Even though we defined in where I mean a view, it's not possible to update in base tables. The only way is you can drop and update that column data types. Okay, clear till here. So that's all. Uh, so that's all for use. So we already see right insert, delete, and all. So delete we unable to perform. Maybe this example is not suitable, but we can do that as well. We see where is that update and delete statement. We see right update and all. Maybe control delete. Okay. So delete is not because it's so we created one more view and we can see how we can perform view. Okay. I'm just removing join here. E1. I invalid object name create. Sorry, create. Okay. Now we can just remove where id equal to 2. See that got deleted or not. Where we can see the base table. Correct? The record got deleted or not? Yeah, guys. So we see update insert also we see right insert. Suppose if you want insert also we can see insert into mp1. Yeah, the same like how we can create in a table same way. I'm creating a 2 comma some b comma salary is some 20,000 anything. Department is a 33. Now we can just observe that null. Okay, column name or okay. Let's see. Yeah, one row got affected or not. Now we can see the fourth, this one, right? What we updated, second one. See, all DML operation we can perform or not here. So now till here clear, right? Now we can check with one more example with the check option. Okay. Yeah. Create view. One more view we create view. I'm creating one view like view check mp. Okay. As select star from what is the table? Now, what is the table name? P sample one, right? Just observe, guys. Where ID less than or equal to 10. Okay, just observe what I'm trying to do. So I don't have any data till 10th. I don't have, but I want to see only with check option. Just observe, guys. Why check option is using for? So what I'm trying to do, I'm just creating a with the check option to whenever I'm trying to insert greater than 10, it won't accept. Just check this and we can try to. Yeah. Now again I'm trying to insert this. So I'm just inserting some 5. 5 it will accept, okay. So it got affected now. Now we just try to insert any ID greater than 11 or 10. Why I mentioned the check option? Oh, sorry guys. What is my view? Testing. Okay. Guys, while updating also be careful because I'm trying to update an old one. Let's see. Yeah, now we just try to insert this. Incorrect syntax. Insert into. Yeah. That's right. That's hmm. Column name or what is my table name? 5. Okay. Okay. Fine. That's an issue. So we just try to observe now. It got inserted. Now when you try to insert this one, see, we got some error, right? What we are seeing with check option, anything ID less than 10, that only it will insert. But we are forcefully trying to insert into greater than 10. Got it? Why check option is so not only this condition, suppose you put salary greater than or 1000, something like that, or when Matthew status a single, something like that. If you put, it will check that action. But I'm just giving you an example. I would request you to try with your own example. Human resource table is there, right? Just back up the table and we practice something on that. Okay. So now we just check this one. So the values are came or not? Like this. Okay. So that's all. I think. Yeah, we covered everything with the check option also. We covered with the schema binding also. Schema binding again. I'm trying to tell you why we use schema binding to prevent alter data types or column names. Okay, to prevent alter data types or column names. Clear? So let me know if we update we see, delete we see. So that's all, guys. So we connect tomorrow and we can, I mean Monday, and we can close the materialized view or indexed view. And Oracle we call it as a materialized view. But a SQL Server we are using what is called index view. Index view is nothing but we as of now we created views, right? So in views, against views also we created indexes. Okay, those are nothing but indexes view. why you use, where do you use, that we will discuss. Okay, controller. Thank you guys. We will connect on Monday. Happy weekend. Thank you. Yeah. Bye. Yeah.